My name is Lupcha Tanasov, and this is my video submission for the optional project 1 for extra credit. I'm quickly traversing through the driver school IDB class, which is the larger class I've written so far. It's over 600 lines long. Every input I'm gonna make is gonna be a little bit nonsensical just to save time and make easier readability once the output is outputted to the output file. every um, every input is according to the requirements of Zybooks. So here we go. First we have to create a new course object, and we have to do it for 3 times. Done with that. Now we're using option 2 to create a new faculty object, and I have to do this 3 times according to Zybooks. I believe we're at option 3, where we have to create a new general staff. Have to do this for 3 times according to Zybooks. Option number 4, create a new student. And we're going to option number 5, where we have to create a course for a faculty object. Have to do this 2 times. We'll give this one to Robert. give this one to Erica. Then we're going to object number 6, option number 6. We have to add a course to a student object, and we have to do this twice. We'll add this to me. We'll give this to Lydia. I believe we're at option number 7, where we have to add multiple courses to a faculty object. We'll give this to George. Let's add 3 courses. Alright. Let's give this to George. Now we're going to option number 8. Let's give this to Henry. Alright. Let me see what's next. That was 8. Going to 9. Get a course at index. Alright, let's work with Robert. No, let's work with George. So let's do something that is obviously invalid. Let's try 3. Let's see. So the course at index 3 is the course, this one, number of credits is 3, and it's a graduate course. Good. That means, what was last option? 9. Graduating to option 10. We'll do the same with the student. Let's work with Lupcho. And their index, of course, 90. Of course, it's going to be invalid. Let's try 3. Oh, invalid. Let's try 2. Invalid. Let's try 1. Lupcho only has 1 course, and that course is Computer Science 432, number of credits 4, and it's a graduate course. So that was 10. We're going to option 11. So we have to see if let's say Robert is teaching EEE 333, which is option 8. So let's see. Oh, I did 48. So of course we need to enter a number between 1 and 4. Let's go with 3. Enter a number, of course, to check if Erica teaches it. I guess we chose Erica. She's number 3. Let's see if Erica teaches course number 7. It says that the faculty member Erica does not teach the undergraduate course of the department WWW and number 222. So that was option 11. Going to option 12 quickly. So it says that the most courses taught is by the faculty member George, and George teaches 5 courses, and the least courses taught is by Superman, and Superman only teaches 1 course. That was 12. Going to option 13. What is option 13? Minimum maximum courses. So we have minimum of all courses is GQQQ111 from the department QQQ. Going to option 14, which says maximum of all courses is the graduate course CMP 777 from CMP. That's from the input file from Zybooks. That was 14. Now we're going to option 15. Which student has least and most courses? That's going to be interesting. Student with most courses is Henry. He has most credits is Henry, and he has 4 credits. And the student with least amount of courses is Wonder Woman. She has 0 credits. That was option 15. We're left with option 16, which prints out the whole database. There we go. First we have the list of the courses. Then we have list of employees. This is their names, when they were born. They are general staff with their department and their duties. Then we have the faculty, their names, year of birth, their department, their, of course, employee number, which is automatically generated, tenured or not tenured, the number of courses taught, and end up with the string representation of all the courses they are teaching. And finally, we have the list of the students with their names, with their birth years, with their student ID, with their majors, if they're graduate and undergraduated, number of courses taken, and end up with a string representation of all the courses they're taking. And this means that we're done, but first we have to check if the output file has anything in it. Oh, this is the old output file. Let me delete it. So that was from iteration I did before. So the output file is empty. Of course, that's not supposed to be the case. Once we exit the program, and we exit the program, as you see, by entering -1, the program prints exiting interface by, and now we're free to check the output folder that has printed out all the information saved from the database interface, and that is it.